Say hello to deep lasting moisture with Dove Body Wash with Pump, infused with 24-hour renewing micro moisture. It nourishes even the driest skin.
You too can now create realistic AI avatars, review, and promote your products just like real people. With this next-generation AI tool, you can generate high-quality, engaging video content without hiring actors, setting up a studio, or spending hours on editing. To get started, you'll first need a product. Since I'll be demonstrating the process, I'll be using this one as an example. To make a product video, I'll be using an AI marketing video generator called Topview AI. This AI tool can generate highly engaging product videos from URLs and custom materials. Most importantly, you can generate videos in multiple languages. Its vast AI library makes the video extremely realistic. All right, let's make our product video using this tool. You'll find the link in the description. Click Sign In and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll get this interface. Firstly, on the top, you'll get options to create videos using product links. Next, in the AI Creation tab, you'll find tools to create avatar-based product videos where you'll just need to add the product. Let's start with Avatar Marketing Video tool. You can select any one of these avatars for your product. If you have your custom avatar, you can select Create Your Avatar and upload it here. Carefully review and select the perfect avatar for your product. Now here you'll have to upload the product link and its images and video files. If you select this AI creation, you can make a custom product image by giving out a prompt. Hit Generate, and your image is ready. You can customize the image size and the number of images you want to generate from the left. But since we have already selected a product, I will copy and paste its link in the product link URL box. After entering the URL, click on Import from Link. Now it will take some time to fetch the media files. And here it is. You can see it has gathered all the images and videos from the product page. I will delete all the external review videos and only keep files that belong to the original product. Down here, you'll see the product name. You can customize it according to your preference. You can also write any missing product details, which will help to generate the script. Under that, you'll find more options. Here you can choose a custom style, such as storytelling or attention-grabbing for the final script. Next, add the target audience, as it will have a big role in determining the script. After that, select your preferred video length duration. You can even add a logo and a watermark on the product video, but I will skip that for now. Now, lastly, select a video orientation from the list. Select your preferred language from the many options available and choose a suitable voice for the avatar. You can even use your custom voice for the video. I'll use this one for now. Once everything is set and ready, hit Generate. Now AI is generating the script. This process usually takes a little time. Topview gives us 3 different scripts and video ideas. Let's go ahead and review the product video it has generated for us.
Introducing Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash, formulated for dry skin. Experience 24-hour renewed moisture with our advanced formula. This moisturizing skin cleanser nourishes even the driest skin effectively.
The editing looks good. The avatar looks realistic, and the script is pretty professional. The tool will lip sync the script with the avatar once you've hit the export button. Now let's look at the second clip.
Introducing Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash, designed for dry skin. Experience 24-hour renewing micro moisture, nourishes even the driest skin. This body wash gently cleanses and deeply moisturizes your skin.
Well, you pretty much get the idea. If you were satisfied with the video, then you can hit export and use it on social media. However, let's see what Topview AI has for us in the editing option. Alright, so this is the Topview AI's editing interface. Here you can see all the scenes it generates. First, you can change any video shot from the scene. Just select the media you want to replace it with to best suit your video and press Confirm. Next, you can customize the avatar from this avatar icon. From this page, you can easily adjust the size of the avatar to fit the screen. After that, to customize the subtitle, click on the text box icon. Here you can change its style, size, and position. Other editing options also includes adding video transitions to your product video. Now, once all the editing is complete, you are ready to export the video. And there you go. You can now download your product video and share it on your social media and earn through affiliate commissions. But you may be wondering about how to make a video with the avatar holding our product. For that, you'll need to go to your dashboard and select the Product Avatar tool. Here you'll find a vast library of avatars to choose from. But before you select an avatar, make sure that the size and shape of your product is same as the product the avatar is holding. Okay, I'll go with this one. You'll need to upload your product image here. The tool automatically removes the background of the product image. Now adjust the size and positioning of the product according to the sample product in the picture. That looks pretty good. Select Confirm Product Positioning. Now Topview AI will generate 3 different sample product images with the avatar. And there you go. I found the first image to be the best one. To convert it to a video, click on Image to Video Avatar. And here it is. The video avatar is ready.
I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
All there's left to do now is to save the avatar in our library and give it our own script. You can see here our avatar has been saved to our avatar library. Now just write a script of what you want the avatar to say in the product video and select a suitable voice from the options and hit Generate. Customize the file name and apply any changes to the video resolution settings and click Export. And here it is, our video is now ready. Let's check it out.
Say hello to deep lasting moisture with Dove Body Wash with Pump, infused with 24-hour renewing micro moisture. It nourishes even the driest skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth.
This is actually pretty good. So now you can make such amazing product videos easily with Topview AI. But the tool has many other features as well, including AI voice generators, converting long videos to shorts, and creating AI-generated images. It is one of the best platforms for creating promotional content and boosting sales. I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comment section. I will catch you next time with another AI tutorial. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Think AI Verse, for all the latest and exciting content related to AI.